Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a birthday card and I'm using an unnamed paper pad, and I'm also using one of my freebie card sketches that you can find as fully functional silhouette and SVG cut file on my website, MistyHilltops.com. So this is a birthday card for a little girl in my community, and I'm starting with creating the card base. And I'm just going with pink because pink is for girls. And then the pattern paper I'm going to use is this double-sided paper pad, and paper from a small paper pad. And in hindsight, I thought it was stupid. This was just a 4x6 card base. I could have just used 3 3/4 and stuff. So size. So I worked my way from the back side with a ruler, and then just cut it by hand. Now that might have actually been a good idea because this paper is very thick and it does have glitter and stuff, so my trimmer just might not do such a good job and might actually tear it. So in the end, it was probably not a bad idea that I went and measured everything. This side of the page is just plain paper, but the other side has all the glittery accents there. So I'm using the background, that way I don't have to erase any pencil marks there. Then it seemed kind of a very long piece of paper, so I wanted to make sure that I actually got the measurements right, but I think I did. And then it's time to flip this page around, and here you see this balloon. So what I did is I took a photo of this, transferred it into my silhouette, so that a photo of this little balloon that was on the page, and then I traced it with my silhouette so that I had a similarly shaped balloon that I used my silhouette to cut out from the same pink cardstock. And then this can go with so it just matches the other balloon that is kind of like part of the design of the paper, but this one I can make pop or look that it's popping up from the page. So here I'm struggling with this little thread because I wanted to have a nice little bow, but it has the gold foil twined there, and that is sometimes a little tricky to work with, especially when you want to make this tiny little bow, and I just really wanted a tiny little one for this small balloon. And so but here I want to put this balloon right there. I sized it so I had an idea of what the size I needed, so it doesn't cover up any of the other pretty patterns. And then here, I could have just used foam, but I just had scrap pieces of cardstock lying around, and I thought I might as well use that to give this balloon a little pop there. And so if you get the card sketch, you will get it with a balloon that you can easily resize and put on your page. Now obviously I'm putting the balloon where it perfectly matches with the rest of the pattern of the paper, but you could play around, do whatever when you get the card sketch. So anyway, this is my page done. I'm still struggling with that little balloon there. And so here's a close-up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.